Since April. And if a girl don't like her, just chill. No?
My daddy! My daddy! My daddy! My daddy!
You think consultants for the Gaza?
Family, family, yeah, I love my family, family, family.
Yeah.
Jayden no rape. Remember, you know, and them man say skate by the tool.
Yeah.
And when the sun a shine with blood clot cool. And
out.
we in them gal hole. What is that on my nose? I'm out.
I'm out.
And Jayden say I need to them and tap it. I'm out. Yeah, guys, and nation. Remember, today, Black Friday sale start 50% off on the Freedom Street ticket. That means you can get it for 12,000 Jamaican. Right? In any Fontana pharmacy. Anywhere in Jamaica. $12,000. That's the Black Friday special. Done? Or?
I'm a General Vybz Kartel. Like we get our next buckle of this for we can. So we learn it for our grandpa, body fuck. You don't be general. Don't be general. We second buckle up. So, you know, man. We get our next buckle.
Fully Gaza, man. Fever 63%. Unstoppable 40%. Electric 40%. I'm going to post the outcome. Because this is a direct fuck up.